Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing good. So, today I am going to start a new chapter from your book Honeydew. Okay, and here the name of the chapter is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Okay, so this is your new chapter, and since the chapter is lengthy, I have divided it into two videos. Okay, so here in this video we are going to cover up the first part of the chapter, and in the next video I am going to explain you about the second part of the video. Okay, so now let us have a look on it. Now see here, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. So first of all, we are going to see the introduction. Okay, so this is the introduction, and here it is also the story in a nutshell. Okay, so it is just the introduction. So have a look. You will get to know what is the story all about. Okay, now see here. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory is written by Satyajit Ray. Okay, it takes you through a journey of a man named Bipin Babu. Okay, so this story is about a man named Bipin Babu who is faced with a very unique problem. And this person by the name Bipin Babu, he is facing a very unique problem. Fine? And what is his problem? His problem is that he has lost his memory of one and only one incident from the year 58. Fine? So what was that problem? The problem was that he has lost his memory of a particular period of time. Okay? And what it is? It is of one such incident from the year 58. That means when he was 50 years old. Okay? And where did this took place? It happened in a trip to Ranchi with his friends. So here in this story we are going to learn about a man by the name Bipin Babu who has lost his memory when he had gone to a trip to Ranchi with his friends. Okay, so how did he lost his memory? What was the reason all behind for this for his loss of memory? Okay, lapse of memory would be discussed in the next slide. Okay, so now see next. Everyone except him. Okay, so that means each and every person except Bipin recalls about his trip to Ranchi. So all the persons, those who encounter with him, okay, or with whom Bipin encounters, have a memory about his trip to Ranchi except Bipin. It is only Bipin who could remember nothing about his trip to Ranchi. So, as the story unfolds, he discovers that it was a punishment from an old friend of his named Chunilal. Okay, so in the later part of the story, we will be reading that Bipin Babu has not actually lost his memory. The actually thing was that he got or he received a punishment, okay, from an old friend whose name was Chunilal. Okay, so why did he receive that punishment from Chunilal? He received the punishment from Chunilal because at the time of need, okay, Chunilal was in dire need of a job, and he approached to Bipin Babu, but Bipin refused to help him. Fine. So this was the reason why Chunilal, he just played a prank on Bipin Chaudhary. Clear? So this is the story all about. Okay, so now let us have a detailed look of it. Clear? Okay. Now see here. Okay. Bipin Chaudhary, popularly known as Bipin Babu. Okay. Bipin Chaudhary was popularly known as Bipin Babu. he went to Kalicharan's every Monday. Okay, he went to a store called Kalicharan. Fine. And what did he do there? He go there to bring up a stock of books to last a week. It means that he goes to Kalicharan store every Monday after his work in order to store his book so that he could read it for the whole week. पूरे हफ्ते भर के वो जा कर के वहाँ कालीचरण शॉप से जा कर के स्टोर से वो बुक्स इकट्ठा करके ले आता था. Clear? He lived alone. Bipin Babu lived alone. He did not have any children. Okay, so he lived alone and did not have many close friends. Okay, nor did he have any close friends. He have close friends but very less of them. Clear? And was not fond of idle talks. And so Bipin Babu, he was not fond of, fond means habit, liking. Okay, fond means liking. किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इच्छा रखना. That is called fond. Okay, like if I say you, I am fond of chocolates. That means I love eating chocolates very much. Clear? So Bipin Babu, he was not fond of idle talks. Idle talks means बेकार की बातें. Okay, जैसे कि gossiping. Just as we do gossiping, when we do gossiping, it is none of our use. Okay, we are just using it for sake of fun or for sake of time pass. Fine. And Bipin Babu, he was not in habit of having an idle talk. He don't like talking idly. Clear? And so this was the reason why he did not have many close friends. He did not have many friends. He had very few selected friends. Clear? Okay, next. One such Monday, when he was at Kalicharan's looking for his book, a man named Parimal Ghosh addressed him as if he knew Bipin Babu. Okay, so one Monday evening, what happened? When Bipin Babu was at Kalicharan, he was looking for his books. Okay, so at a time one man came in. Okay, and what was the name of the man? It was Parimal Ghosh. So what did he say? He approached to Bipin Babu and he addressed him. He told him as if he knew Bipin Babu very well. Clear? But Bipin Babu did not recognize him. But Bipin Babu could not recognize him. He go on thinking very hard that who the man Parimal Ghosh was. Clear? The man claimed to have seen Bipin Babu in 58. In 58 means when he was 58 years old. That man Parimal Ghosh, he told Bipin Babu, I was your very good friend when you was 50 years old. Fine? But, when Bipin Babu visited Ranchi. Clear? So, what did Parimal Ghosh say? Parimal Ghosh said that we are very good friends. In fact, we were very good friends when you were 58 years, when all of us visited Ranchi. But Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. But Bipin Babu kept on thinking that how could it be possible that I do not know a man by the name Parimal Ghosh, and he is claiming himself to be one of my very good friends, but I could not recognize him. And now he is telling that we were at Ranchi. We had gone to the trip to Ranchi, but I had never been there. Then what is the reason behind? Why is he saying that he is my friend and we had been to Ranchi, although I have never been to Ranchi and I do not know who is Parimal Ghosh? Clear? So that means now Bipin Babu, he is having a confusion in his mind. Clear? Next. Despite warning to visit the place, he had not been able to do it. So he told the man that he had been mistaken. So what did Bipin Babu say? Bipin Babu, he tried to recollect the memories when he was 50 years old. Clear? He tried to recollect all the memories, but he was damn sure that he had never been to Ranchi and he had never met a person named Parimal Ghosh. So he addressed Parimal Ghosh that you must have been mistaken. शायद आपसे कोई भूल हुई होगी. I am not the man who you try to think, because I had never been to Ranchi and I do not know you. Next. But the man knew quite a lot of details about Bipin Babu and did not stop talking. But that man, Parimal Ghosh, he goes on insisting that we had been to Ranchi and I know you very well. I know a lot of your details. And he go on telling all the details which he know about Bipin Babu. Clear? Next. Bipin Babu left the shop and went on a drive alongside Ganga. Then what did he do? He left the shop and he went on a drive alongside Ganga. फिर वो गंगा की तरफ वो निकल पड़ा घूमने के लिए. Okay? Actually, why did he left the shop and he went away? Because now he is in a state of confusion. So now he is thinking upon what the man has told was really something true. Okay, because he is thinking that I have never been there, then why is that man saying such a thing? And if it is true, why can't I recall anything about it? Clear? Okay, next. She was a hard-working man who had a responsible job at a big farm. And now the thing is that Bipin Babu was a very hard-working man. Okay, and he had got a very responsible job at a big farm, at a big firm. Firm means company. Okay, firm means company. So Bipin Babu is holding a very responsible job at a big company. Okay, then how is he able to hold that responsible job? It's only because his memory is good enough. Fine, he is not lacking any memory. So if we are lacking memory, we cannot hold any job. Yes or no? But he is holding such a big job. He is having a huge responsibility on his shoulders. That means his mind is conscious. Fine? Okay. Okay. So, yes. He was a man who had a responsible job at a big firm. Okay? It was hard for him to believe that he could not remember such an important event of his life, and that too from 6 to 7 years ago. Fine? So, what happened? Here, the man, Bipin Babu, he is in a state of total confusion. But it was very hard for him to believe. He could not believe that he did not remember such important event of his life. Okay, so it was very difficult for him, very hard for him to believe that he had forgotten such an important event of his life. Okay, that means he has gone to Ranchi and he has enjoyed there, or he had gone for some work. It was a important thing. Yes or no? Like suppose if we are going on a trip to anywhere, suppose you can say London, or you can say forget about foreign, let us say in India. Okay, let us consider Kerala. Okay, Kerala is a very beautiful place to visit. So, suppose if you have been to Kerala, okay, and you have enjoyed there, be it for work or for just a trip, and then you come back. So, what will you consider the trip to Kerala? You would consider it a very important trip. Yes or no? Because it is not in your hometown. You are going to some special place to have a look, to look a view of that place. Yes or no? So that could be a very important trip for you. So you will remember every inch of it which you have enjoyed or which you have spent. Yes or no? So similarly, even Bipin Babu, he is thinking that it is really a very difficult task for him to forget such an important event. So he says that it was very difficult for him that he could not remember any such an important event of his life, and that also from 6 to 7 years ago. Okay, that means he had been to Ranchi 6 to 7 years ago, right? And right from that time till now, I didn't remember even a single inch of it. How could it be possible? Are you getting me? So he was thinking in himself. Clear? Next. He did not want to think about what the man had said, but could not stop doing so. He was telling in himself that I should not remember it. I should not think about it. But he could not help himself to stop thinking about it. Fine? Why he could not help himself stop thinking about it? Because he was thinking that, am I really losing my mind? This was the thing which was disturbing him now. Because he was thinking, suppose if that incident or the trip to the Ranchi was a thing which was fact, कि अगर इसने सच्ची में अगर मैं वहाँ गया होता, ठीक है, तो ये सच्चाई है मेरे लाइफ की, तो मुझे ये बात याद आ क्यों नहीं रही है? Clear? Okay, let me repeat again. He did not want to think about what the man had said, but he couldn't stop doing so. He thought of visiting his friend Dinesh Mukherjee, who the man said was there on the trip with him. Okay, so when Bipin Babu was in the bookstore, okay, he met Parimal Ghosh. At the time, Parimal Ghosh told him that if you don't believe, if you think that what I'm telling is all false, you may consult with Dinesh Mukherjee, because Dinesh Mukherjee was also there when we went to Ranchi. We all of us went together. We all were there. We enjoyed a lot. Clear? So, Bipin Babu, now he thought of visiting his friend, okay, Dinesh Mukherjee, who the man said was there on the trip with him. Okay, let me clear. Okay. So now what did Bipin Babu decide? He decided to visit Dinesh Mukherjee. Clear? But he did not visit him because he did not want to feel any embarrassment face to face. Okay. But he refused to visit Dinesh Mukherjee because he did not want to feel any embarrassment. Okay. He did not want to feel a kind of shy. Embarrassment means a state of shy. Okay. So when you feel embarrassed, it means that you are ashamed internally, but you don't want to expose it out. You don't want to show to the world that you are ashamed. But internally, within your heart, you are really ashamed of your act. That is called the state of embarrassment. Clear? So now, Bipin Babu refused to visit Dinesh Mukherjee because he was thinking, if I go and ask to Dinesh Mukherjee that have we really been to Ranchi, and if he replied in a positive manner, then I would really be embarrassed. So this was the reason why he thought in himself that I should avoid meeting Dinesh Mukherjee. Clear? Next. According to Bipin Babu, he was attending the pujas in Kanpur and stayed at his friend Haridas' residence. Okay, but according to Bipin Babu, something 6 to 7 years ago, he had been to Kanpur. Okay, and why was he there? Because he was attending pujas. Wait, let me clear. Okay. Yes, okay, see now. Here, Parimal Ghosh said that 6 to 7 years ago, you were at Ranchi. But actually, 6 to 7 years ago, Bipin Babu was in Kanpur. Okay, and what was he doing in Kanpur? He was attending the pujas. Clear? And after that, he stayed at his friend's residence, at his friend's place. And what was the name of his friend? Haridas. Clear? So now Bipin Babu start recalling, and it came to his mind, it came to his senses that 6 to 7 years ago I was not at Ranchi but in Kanpur attending pujas. I was attending puja and I was at my friend Haridas' residence. I was at my friend Haridas' home. Clear all of you? Okay. So here this shows that Bipin Babu was in a total state of confusion. Okay, he was totally confused that what is the reason, what is the fact? Am I really losing my mind? It also may happen that I had been to Haridas' residence and also I had been to Ranchi also. Have I really missed some of the part of my life? I couldn't recall anything. Fine. So this memory was really disturbing him. He couldn't eat, he couldn't sleep. He has lost his appetite. Okay, thinking about the past. He thought that perhaps I am going insane. He thought that perhaps I am becoming mad. Clear? Okay. So only this much for today. Okay. So in the next video, I will be explaining you about the remaining part of the chapter. Is it fine to everyone? Okay. Thank you for watching.